Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can set double tap screen to unlock on OPPO smartphone. So in order to be able to open the lock screen by double tapping at your display rather than using the side power button, you will need to launch settings, go into the additional settings category, next open the gestures and motion section. In here, go for the screen off gestures, make sure to turn this toggle on, then turn on another toggle in front of the double tap to wake or turn off screen option, and well, that will be it. So if I will lock my screen, upon double tapping on it, you'll see that the display gets woken up. Alrighty, so that will be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.